What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back. I'm Jeff, and this is Experimental Perception. Now, last time I built my gaming rig and put it inside this case, but I had a couple of problems. The main problem is that my water cooler just wouldn't fit. It was just too big for this mid-tower case. So I am going to be putting everything from here over into here. Now, this is the Anidees AI Crystal XL Pro. 4 fans up front, 1 in the back. I can actually mount my water cooler 4 different places inside this case: front, middle, top, and side. Plus, it comes with a couple of extra light strips. It should look pretty impressive. I hope you stick around. Now, as you can see, this is a pretty big case. Plenty of room to mount my water radiator. I can put it here on top of the PSU, on the side of the case, in the front, or on top. And the bolts are already laid out for an ATX motherboard, so I'm gonna take it, bolt it in, and then we'll go from there. All right, now this was a lot easier when it wasn't bolted together. Let's see what it's gonna take to get this in here. Something about like this. I'm gonna go ahead and bolt this motherboard in place so it doesn't move around. All right, and then the water cooler will mount something right about like here. All right, just a couple of screws to hold this radiator in place. And done. Okay, time for the graphics card. Just like that. One of the nice things about this case is it does have this graphics card holder, so it takes some of the weight off of the back of this card and holds it for you. It's kind of nice. This is the back side of the case. Wow, that is so clean. Gosh, that's nice. All right, going back in with the Thermaltake 750. It's just held on by 4 little screws. Now it's just a matter of hooking up a few cables, a few power supplies, and turning this thing on. And done, all wired up, nice, neat, and tidy. I just love these new cases, how you can run all the wires through the back. Just helps the light stand out a little bit better. It came with 2 RGB strips. I put 1 on the back and 1 on the side. I'm not quite sure where I want them. I need to turn it on and see what they look like first. So let me get the door, let's fire this thing up and let's see how it looks. All right, moment of truth. I've got it all put back together. Let's fire this thing up and see how it looks. It does come with remote, so we can change the lights. Let's see what happens. Nope. Yep, there we go. Lights, excellent. Nice. All right, now let me try and change the colors. Now I like red, so that is awesome. I love it. I just love it. All right, excellent. Now I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, give me a like, subscribe if you'd like to see more. And if you'd like to see more of this computer in itself, I am streaming on Twitch, twitch.tv/experimentalperception. Come see me, we'll play some games and have a good time. Until then, I'll see you next time.